Alright, so now I will show you how you can integrate Solution Manager monitoring and alerting infrastructure with HP Service Manager. This is the Solman alert inbox, so these are the alerts that we have. Now I will confirm all these, so we will have new alerts coming soon. Meanwhile, I'll jump to the configuration, the Solution Manager configuration. So we've set up system monitoring, so you can check it in application operations, system monitoring, and here we can define our SAP add-on to be a handler for alerts. So you can set it on managed object level or template level or alert level, but now we've set it as the default. So here you can see that on the third-party component tab, STA ticket system is listed as the active third-party connector. So this will react to alerts. You can define certain rules also in SAP to define which alerts to forward to Service Manager and do a mapping between the Solution Manager alert attributes and the incident attributes which will be created. So let's say you can assign the severity, impact, priority based on different parameters or attributes of the alerts. So let's jump back to the alert inbox and wait until some alerts are triggered. Okay, so here we have 3 alerts already triggered. Central instance is not available, for instance, and SQL optimizer problem. So let's jump to Service Manager and search for incidents based on the open date. So maybe it was the last, I don't know, couple of minutes. Search. Okay, so here we have already 2 alerts forwarded to ServiceNow. This one is the SQL optimizer, so you have the title which contains the alert rating. So this is the red alert. This is the managed object name S72, that's the SAP system. Performance is the alert category, and the SQL optimizer is the alert name. In the description you have all the extra details, timestamp, rating, priority, severity, and so on, and all the description. Well, that's empty for this, but anyway, you get the same for the metrics as well. So different metrics might trigger the alerts, and here you can see there is no optimizer statistics from the last 3 months. So that's why we have this. All right, so what else we have? Of course, the affected service and CI are populated. Okay, so now let's refresh, check if others are created. Yeah, here we go. We have all the tickets coming in. Of course, if we refresh here as well, then you can see that these are the ones that are being triggered. So let's check maybe this one. So this contains description as well, and additionally this contains hyperlinks. So you can jump directly into SAP transactions using these hyperlinks to immediately take action, do debugging, or even solve the problem.